No, it's only a berthing facility. If people have objections about that, we'll be definitely discussing with them. It will be there will not be any infrastructure development for that part. It will be only a berthing facility for yachting purpose.
So there will be any public presentation or public hearing on the Marina project with the people who are against it?
No, there is a proposal right now. It's in the conceptual stage. So we will go ahead if at all there is some kind of infrastructure development. In fact, there is no infrastructure development for that. So if at all there is a kind of a discussion required with people who have some issues or grievances about that, we will definitely do that.
इंटरनॅशनल क्रूज टर्मिनल डिसेंबर म्हणल्यार तयार, मार्च म्हणल्यार खंय ऑपरेशनल. रो पॅक फेरिंग फॅसिलिटी सुरू करता, टुरिझमाक बूस्ट.
So we are already coming up with a international cruise terminal. The work will be completed by November, December, and it will be fully operational by March of next year. So that will have facilities for the international cruise vessels and the domestic cruise vessels to come in. And there will be ro-packs facilities and ferrying. The passengers can go to the other parts of Goa quickly. So there will be a ferry and ro-packs ro services also. So that will be a boost to tourism.
मुख्यमंत्री म्हणतात टुरिझमाकूय MPAचो उपेग फुडें जातलो.
MPTचेर इट इज फॉर द टुरिझम सेक्टरा खातीर सुद्दां MPTचो यूज जावचो हो डिमांड म्हाजोय आसा. आनी इन फ्युचर इट इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट बट फॉर द टुरिझम सेक्टर मार्मोगोवा पोर्टाचो उपयोग जो आसा हो इन लॉंग रन जातलो हाजी अपेक्षा करता.
इतले मजगती मरिनाचे इशूचेर काँग्रेस आक्रमक, वगी रावचे ना म्हूण शिटकावणी.
Goans will not keep quiet. If need be, we will intervene in the court. But आमी ओगी रावपाक ना. This is how systematically this government, the so-called double engine government and their agencies which are there like MPA, which was formerly MPT, आणि गोंया खाबार केले. We will bring all the people together, be it the civil society, NGOs, including political parties on one platform to fight this particular project. Whether it comes at Naushi, afterwards it will be Sankwal, afterwards it will be Chikali, we will fight.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.